everyone, it's me, Melanie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. In today's video, we're doing a LAZYGIRL method French full set using these Après Gel X extensions. They already come with the smile lines printed on them, making it super easy. Right now, I'm just sizing my nail tips, making sure that they reach sidewall to sidewall. Today, I'm doing a collab with Polygene's Polygel Nails and More Beginners Plus. It's a group on Facebook. Each month, there are new nail challenges. I'm doing 2 of the challenges, LAZYGIRL nails and French nails. The LAZYGIRL method is simply using the soft gel full cover nail extensions, adhering them with polygel, and doing the nail design inside the nail tip. So I'm using my pink liner gel and painting the French design inside of the nail tip. These tips make French a breeze because there are 4 smile line guides to choose from, and they turn out amazing every single time. So now I'm taking my Madame Glam base coat and I'm painting over where I painted the pink French. I'm doing this because it's base coat and it will make adhering the polygel a lot better, and also it protects the French. So if you bump your nail on anything, it won't chip away the pink. You can choose to use top coat, it's all up to you. So this is what the nails are looking like after I've painted the French on all of them and applied the base coat on top. Using these nail tip stands made it a lot easier for me to paint the French. And now I'm taking my football diamond bit and etching the inside of the nail tip. I'm being careful to not scratch the surface of the French that I painted on already. Make sure you do this step thoroughly and that there's no shine left on the nail. This is what's going to make them last. Here's what the tips are looking like after I've etched the inside of the nail tips. Now I'm sanitizing my hands with 70% alcohol, and now I'm going to push back my cuticles. So the LAZYGIRL method was created by Femi from Femi Beauty, and she has a well-known YouTube channel. And the LAZYGIRL method, it's the easiest and fastest way to achieve professional looking nail extensions that last as long as acrylic or gel, or even longer. Now I'm taking my cuticle cleaning e-file bit that I purchased from iGel Beauty, and I'm using it around 5,000 RPMs with very gentle pressure, and I'm just removing the cuticle. It's the protein growth that grows right above your cuticle. Well, I should actually correct myself. The cuticle, well, what most people think is the cuticle, which is that line at the back of your nail plate, that's actually called the eponychium. The cuticle is the protein growth that's on the nail plate that looks white when you push back your cuticle. So I'm just continuing to remove the cuticle from the rest of my nails. I wanted to mention that my daughter, she's a nail biter, and acrylics popped off her nails after one day, no matter where she got them done. When I tried out the soft gel nail extensions, her nails lasted until she wanted me to change up her set. So they really do work really well for people who maybe they're a nail biter or maybe they have oily nail beds. Now I'm taking my diamond ball bit and I'm just going to go around my cuticles, and I'm removing any dead skin that I see or hangnails. I'm using this bit at around 5,000 RPMs, and again, you want to use very gentle pressure. If you press hard, you're going to damage your nail bed, or you could hurt yourself. I prefer this method instead of using the nippers because it's safer for me, in my opinion. In Florida also, nail techs are not allowed to remove dead skin with the nippers. Only a doctor or a surgeon is able to do that. I'm holding back my skin using my other finger, and it helps me to get in the sidewalls a little bit better. Now right here you can see just how well this bit actually works because it's able to remove all of that white dead skin right there on my thumb. If you would like me to do a video showing my most used e-file bits for every service, please let me know in the comments. It can be a little daunting with all of the e-file bit choices when you're a beginner and you don't know which e-file bits to choose. Now I'm just removing the dust with my manicure brush. And now I'm taking my arbor band and I'm gonna go about 3,000 to 4,000 RPMs, and I'm just going to remove the shine from all of the nails, making sure to get around the cuticle again. Make sure that you use gentle pressure Don't want to damage your nails. I like using the manicure brush because it gets into the sidewalls and really gets the dust out of those areas. Now I'm taking my 180 grit file and evening out the tip of my nail. I really like to focus on the corners because sometimes they can stick out of the sides if not removed. Now I'm taking my young nail swipe and removing the dust. This also doubles as a dehydrator. Now I'm going in with Young Nails Protein Bond. Now this does have HEMA in it, but I try to be very careful and apply it to where it does not touch my skin, and so far I haven't had issues. I like to work the product into the nail from the tip going backwards towards the cuticle. That way there's not that much product left on the brush when it reaches your cuticle. By the way, the link for the Paula Jeans Polygel group will be in the description box down below. We would love for you to be in our group, so check that out when you have a chance. Now I'm applying a thin layer of Madam Glam's gel base coat. This will help the polygel adhere to the nail. I make sure that I also apply the base coat to the tip of the nail. And I like to kind of scrub in the base coat. Try not to let any of the gel base coat touch your cuticle. This can lead to allergies. I do want to mention that this base coat is HEMA free and also 21 free. And now I'm curing for 30 seconds. And now I'm taking my polygel. The color is called Dahlia. I chose this because it has a nice color for the nail bed. I'm grabbing my brush with the alcohol on it. You can use lip solution as well. And I'm just patting the product into place. And I will stop patting as soon as the product reaches the pink. I place my lamp on the edge of my table so that I can easily slide my hand in, like that. So now I'm grabbing my nail tip and I'm going to gently place the tip onto my thumb. Do not press too hard, gently pat it into place. And when you see the edge meet up with your nail and cover it on the side, you know that it's in the right position. Make sure that the cuticle is in the right location, and then using your alcohol or slip solution, remove the excess that's squeezed out. Then you want to flip over your nail and see how much product squeezed out. I actually did really good on this thumb. You see, not much has squeezed out into that area, so I was lucky there. Once everything looks good, then you're going to want to cure for 2 minutes in a UV lamp or 30 seconds in an LED lamp. And that's how the nail looks like when finished. And again, I'm applying another nail tip onto my nail, gently pressing the nail tip onto my nail, getting it in the right position. A little bit of polygel will seep out near the cuticle and you'll remove it again with your brush. Now, a lot of brands have these full cover gel nail tips, but my personal favorite brand is Ypres. They have the perfect shape and structure, and the apex is really nice. So now I flip my nail over and I'm just pressing that polygel flatter so that it blends in with my nail tip. Now with the soft gel extensions, the apex is built under the nail tip that you fill with polygel or gel. That's why you do not want to press down too hard or you'll squish your apex and they will not be structurally sound. So now I'm going in with my 5-in-1 bit. I'm going to be going around my cuticles and blending the nail tip in with my cuticle, so it's a seamless transition. And now I'm just removing the shine from the rest of my nails with an arbor band. If you don't do this step, the gel polish won't adhere well to your nail tip. Doing this step also helps to get rid of the lines that were left over from the smile line guides. And now I'm removing all of the dust again with my dust brush. So now it's time for the nail art. I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm creating some flowers on 2 of my nails on each hand. And I'm just creating 5 dots for the 5 petal flower. Now I'm taking a small liner brush and I'm filling in the flower. I don't know about you guys, but now looking back at the nails, I kind of wish I would have left my nails matte because they look really pretty. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the matte or the glossy. Just a reminder that my giveaway is still going on, so head to my channel and check out my giveaway video. All of the details are in that video, and I'm giving away $150 worth of nail supplies. And now I'm filling in the center of each flower with a little pink dot. And now it's time to apply the gel top coat. I'm just applying a thin coat to all of the nails, making sure not to get it into my cuticle. And sometimes I like to hold my nails like this where they point down, where the gel can't go into the cuticle, it flows downward. And now for the final step, which is cuticle oil. I'm just applying a drop to each finger and rubbing it into the skin. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more nail tutorials like this one. Bye-bye.